Police ramped up their crackdown on criminal activity in St. James Parish today with a major focus on illegal motorcycles. Lawmen say the move is part of a wider strategy to disrupt crime networks and reduce violence across the parish. Yannick Williams has details.
Several motorcycles were seized during targeted operations carried out by the St. James Police. Officers set up multiple checkpoints, stopping riders to verify documents and ensure compliance with road traffic regulations. A significant number of bikes were taken off the road, were either unregistered, improperly documented, or believed to be linked to criminal activities.
This operation that we have started, over 70 motorcycles have been seized and over 13 persons have been arrested so far. Right? Just yesterday, we paid special attention in the town center and in the rural sides of St. James, where a total of 20 motorcycles were seized for breaches of the Road Traffic Act. 9 persons were arrested and tickets issued.
The operation was also deemed timely as motorcyclists account for the high number of road fatalities, with many of the victims not wearing road safety gear.
We want to reduce that number by over 50%. So motorcyclists, I implore you that you wear your protective helmet, not just any protective helmet, but certified protective helmets that are approved by Bureau of Standards.
He warned that riders without proper documentation or those found in breach of the law will face seizure and possible charges. That aside, the lawmen are also continuing their crackdown on criminal gangs and robber syndicates in the parish.
So this initiative will see us targeting persons who are coming to the township and its environment with offensive weapons, guns, anything that can create harm or commit any crime or incidents to persons doing business or to the business in general. We have 20 murders in comparison to 19 last year. Following upon our success last year, we had 58 murders. We believe that we are still on track to have another successful year. Whilst we have 1 murder more than last year, about 7 or 8 of those murders are domestic related and involve the use of knives, machete, and even a fork in one instance.
The police say the operations will continue in the coming days. Yannick Williams, TVJ News.